Welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita. As we all know, winter season is here, and during winter season, bowl of soup with some bread gives us so much of comfort. So today's recipe is pumpkin soup. So now to make our pumpkin soup, we'll be needing the following ingredients. Here I have taken around 300 grams of pumpkin where I have peeled off the skin and chopped it into big chunks like this. 1 chilli, 7 to 8 garlic cloves which I have chopped, and a half tablespoons of butter. Instead of butter, you can also use ghee. You can also use oil if you want to. Salt to taste. An onion which I have sliced. About half a teaspoon. A tablespoon of pepper. Adding pepper here is according to your choice and it's according to your spice level. I'm going to be using this Javitri or Mace. 2 cloves. So moving on to the next big step of making our pumpkin soup. First, what we are going to do is we are going to heat a cooker. Once a cooker is heated, we will add in our butter. The reason why we use butter here instead of oil is butter will have fat which will help to keep your body warm, and generally we drink soups in cold weather, so that is why we end up using butter in soups. Once our butter melts, we add in our clove and our mace and we'll saute it for about 10 seconds. We'll add in our Jeera. Once our Jeera starts to splutter, we will add in our chilli and our garlic. Saute it for about 10 seconds. Next, we will add in our onions. Saute the onions for about 10 seconds again, and then we'll add in our pumpkins. After you add the butter, if you don't want the butter to burn, just add a that bit of oil. I haven't added it. Keep everything on medium flame, nothing on high flame. Now add in salt. Here I'm using salted. If you're using salted butter, then add salt accordingly. Give it a nice mix. Moving on, add in about 1/4 cup of water to this. We close the cooker lid and we let it cook for about 2 to 3 whistles on medium flame. Now after about 3 whistles, we'll turn off our heat and we'll let our cooker cool down and release all its pressure. So now our cooker has also released all its pressure. Just take off the lid. Check on this. Yeah, our pumpkins are cooked thoroughly. So now we just smash it with our hands first, and then we'll put this into our blender jar and blend it into a fine puree, or even you can use a hand blender and blend it into a fine puree. Alright, so this is how the soup should look once you have blended it into your blender jar. Before you blend it, if you want, you can remove the khada masalas, that is the long and the mace that we have added. I have just left it just like that. Now we will add in again another 1/4 cup of water and mix it well and bring it to a boil. If you feel you need to add more water, you are free to do so. Keep your flame on medium or medium low while you're doing all of this. Now, as you can see, our soup is bubbling up. So now we will continue bubbling it for about a minute, and then we will turn off our heat. After about a minute, we will turn off our heat and we'll transfer this into our serving bowl. Now we'll garnish it with some pepper powder and mint leaves. So there you go, our pumpkin soup is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, then do hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.